Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we went ahead and made it to the Gadgetron site, so we could try episode. We are going to try and get the Hollow Guys, so that we can do exactly what I said we would do. Yeah. So anyway, grind wheels! Yay! Grind wheels. Yeah. So at the time of recording this video, the store has had Hacksaw Jim Duggan in, and that was really cool. I was never a wrestling fan, and it was just really cool to have someone who was a big time in the wrestling scene kind of jump into the store. And there were so many people too. It was so much fun. Everybody who came out was such a good sport. And, Hacksaw was a real good sport about everything as well, because we ended up going overtime because we had so many people show up for him. Man, I'm not hitting those at all. But yeah, it was a fun day. I got to work kind of security, not entirely security, but yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to focus on the grind rails right now, but yeah, trying my best to multitask, and oh god. I'm hoping that I hit all the things. If I didn't hit all the things, then that would suck. I'm also really glad I got that ultra something nanotech, whatever, premium. Alrighty, there's a gold bolt. So, yeah. We got one of the gold bolts for this area. Damn. Okay. I'll meet you guys back at the end. Alright.
Hey, we finally get to meet the help desk girl. I hope she's cute.
What should that matter?
Oh, man.
Come here often?
Actually, I work here, so I come here all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I've been following your progress. Here, shh, take this. It's a map-o-matic. It will be very helpful.
I'll see you later.
Bye, sweetie.
I think she likes me.
The Gadgetron map-o-matic can be used to find secret areas. Just go to your map screen, and all secret areas will be highlighted on the map.
Yeah, so, guess what? There's a gold bolt. So, we can easily find the gold bolts now, which will be pretty easy for in our, when we go for our gold bolt hunt there near the end of the game. I'm gonna go around this way first. Make sure there's not anything behind here. Alright, so let's hop in the taxi cab. So I'll meet you guys back at the beginning. Alrighty, so we're back here at the front of the Gadgetron place, and alright, left or right? Well, since we can't go forward, I guess we'll go to the right. So yeah, so we had Hacksaw in the store, that's right. And we also gave away 2 Nintendo Classics. We had free fidget spinners. I do not like free fidget spinners. Fidget spinners I consider them to be one of the most annoying things to exist in recent memory. Next to silly bands. Silly bands were kind of annoying when I was in middle school. There we go. But yeah, we gave away free those. We gave away free Surge. My boss ended up was able to find Surge, the drink from the 90s. So yeah, what else? Everything in the store was 10% off. Yeah, it was a really good day. Most of the times when I come home from work, I'm like extremely tired. The bad thing is, the job doesn't, you don't have to do much at the job. Like, it's one of the easiest jobs to do, and yet I'm always tired whenever I'm finished. But yeah, I'll meet you guys back where we were. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm sorry I forgot to talk again. Yep. Another Gadgetron vendor. I mean, it should be good. We're doing on time. So let's head out here. No, that ain't happening. Alright, jump down, skip this. Yeah, but in the store now we're gonna have the kid from the Gremlins, the guy who played the boy who got Gizmo as a present. And I'm really excited about that because I love Gremlins. Gremlins was one of my favorite movies as a kid. And, yeah, I can't wait to see him. The only thing would be cooler if Gizmo was in the story. Well, he is, but he's a plush. I want the real thing. I want the real Gizmo. I want the actor who played Gizmo. shoot him. My God, do you have any manner of tracking on this? Oh my God, point out towards them. Oh my God, you can't be serious. I'll meet you guys back there. Alrighty, now that we're through, let's take these boxes. And let's talk to this guy.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you were concerned about the, invasion?
Son, our defenses are the best money can buy. Don't give it another thought. You ever been on a hoverboard?
Yeah, once or twice.
I am in search of a hip young star to represent my newest line of boards. Someone the kids can look up to.
Then I am your man.
If you can beat my test bots in a race, that job is yours.
Alrighty, we'll race this guy on the next episode. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching this kind of long video, and I hope you guys have a great day.